Feeling exhausted after 3 years of work. I'm in my first job and about to enter my third year of work. In the beginning, things were relatively simple, but now I'm facing many challenges and feeling exhausted. I wonder if these difficulties are due to spending less time studying or if I should consider looking for another job. When entering a workplace, the problems are the same for everyone. But why does everything become so complicated later on? In a troubled society, even work can present difficulties. Moreover, in a society of joy and well-being, work would not pose any problems. However, learning to navigate in a troubled society is the task of you young people because you will be the ones inheriting it. But if it becomes such a burdensome commitment that you can no longer bear it, you can go somewhere else. But in this case, you must have a clear goal. If you find yourself unable to handle a job that you can no longer manage, choose based on appropriate analysis what you can do once you leave. When you are no longer able to withstand the difficulties of your job, you should simply leave. It is not acceptable to stay in a job and continue complaining. Furthermore, that job is only an opportunity for studying in society. You are there for that purpose, not to earn money. The money you earn is given to you by nature for studying and evolving, nothing more. When you work, take what is given to you, and even if it appears to be just a little, face life with wisdom. Nature gives you exactly what you need to grow. So when you go to your workplace in the morning, you should be well aware that you're going there only to study life. And when you have grown and learned everything there is to learn, you will be promoted. A promotion will serve only for you to study more, to meet people of a higher level. Eventually, when you no longer have the opportunity to rise further, after 3 or 7 years, you should leave and seek a different position with another company. Alternatively, at that point, you could consider starting your own business so that many people can approach you. This pattern remains constant in all relationships. In the beginning, your parents were responsible for your education. They provided you with food and financial support to allow you to study. At the end of the school cycle, society takes over to allow you to continue studying. It provides you with the workplace and the salary you need for that purpose. The point is that you're in that place to study, not to work or earn money. If you think it's only about work, you will immediately encounter difficulties. Maybe the people you come into contact with may seem unpleasant or unlikable, but if instead you try to accept and absorb what they can offer you, everything will change and you will feel gratitude toward them. Usually it's a mistaken approach. The fact is that no one has taught you such things before. You have not been educated on how to approach society. Try to imagine the whole society as a great research laboratory. And your workplace is one as well. Strive to become researchers. What is the difference between a researcher and a simple worker? The latter only looks forward to the day of the month when they will receive their salary. They are modern-day slaves. On the other hand, a researcher moves to learn and to discover society, to look within themselves. The quality of their work is entirely different. It is at a very high level. A researcher creates, and they do this wherever they are, even at the bar with friends during happy hour. A worker, on the other hand, only seeks to receive a salary increase. To promote the development of our country, we must aspire to a future where the current concept of worker is surpassed. The goal is for all workers to transform into researchers, experts in their own field. Nature takes care of everyone. Seek the most suitable environment, and nature will always be by your side.